Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Moodle app. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Moodle app and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.